Have you ever imagined a world without software? No smartphones buzzing with notification, no social media feeds to scroll through, and no emails flying back and forth at lightning speed. Yet a few years ago, that was our reality. A digital future we live in today is just because of evolution of this software. Today in this video, we will unravel the incredible story of how software emerged from the depths of imagination to become the cornerstone of modern civilization. Let's discuss what is this software. Whenever you want to perform any action on computer, for example, if it's copy paste, you have to tell the computer to do that action. The language you use to tell computer to do that action is program. That is what software comprises of. Software comprises of entire set of programs, procedures associated with that action. The contrasting term is hardware, which are physical parts like RAM, HDD or motherboard. Software directs the hardware to perform that action. Now software also includes two types, as application software and system software. System software controls the computer internal functioning as memory management, file management or others. For example, Windows operating system could be regarded as system software. It manages all the resources of a computer like CPU, hard disk, printer, etc. Application software runs as per user request and executes action by commands given by a user. Application software cannot run without system software and may include some daily apps we use in our life like Photoshop or VLC media player. Now let's understand what the background behind its emergence. The emergence of software was initiated by many pioneers including Ada Lovelace, Alan Turing, Dennis Ritchie and many others. Ada Lovelace was a mathematician and visionary who penned the world's first algorithm. This was the first brick that laid the foundation of software. In 1936, an essay was proposed by Alan Turing on computable number with an application to Enchilada's problem. This eventually led to the creation of academic field of computer science and software engineering. Both fields study software and its creation. Turing's essay is an example of computer science. Still after 1960, each programming language from assembly language to Fortran brought us one step closer to this software world. By the 1970s, enterprising innovators like Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson unveiled Unix, a powerful operating system that would shape the future of computing. As the 1980s dawned, word processors like WordPerfect revolutionized document creation, while spreadsheet programs like Lotus 123 transformed the world of finance. In 2000, Fred Shapiro, a librarian at Yale Law School, published a letter revealing that John Biddle's Tukey's 1958 paper, The Teaching of Concrete Mathematics, contained the earliest known usage of term software. With each passing year, the software landscape grew richer and more diverse as it is today. Let's understand the evolution of graphical user interface. The evolution of graphical user interface is correlated with that of software. Before GUI, software were just text-based and they required user to memorize these commands. The introduction of graphical elements like windows, icons, and menus made software more user-friendly, and this expanded its usage to wider audience. In 1980s, researchers at Xerox PARC, a research and development company in California, shifted GUI from a text-based commands to visual elements. Means that instead of memorizing commands, everything could just be done with a point and click. The heart of this revolution was a mouse, and scrolling with mouse through Netscape seems like just you are scrolling through physical world. Today, GUI remains forefront at our digital interaction. Whether you are scrolling through your mobile, browsing on web, chances are there that it is done through a graphical user interface. It has completely revolutionized the computing world. I would also like to tell you about some iconic software which gained their revolution. Many iconic softwares have gained their evolution. Take for example MS Word. Since its advent in 1983, many features and its interface has revolutionized its word processing for students, teachers or businessmen. A similar video I have made in which I have unveiled some advanced feature in MS Word. Click on the suggested video here to watch that video. In the niche of digital imaging, Adobe Photoshop has introduced a new era in photo editing. With its precision and creation, Photoshop has now become a key software for graphic designer. In fact, it also serves very helpful for me in making my thumbnails. And who can forget about these web browsers, who gained their development from a Mosaic web browser to Google Chrome, which we use nowadays. A similar video I have also made about these web browsers, development from Internet Explorer till now. Make sure to watch it. From word processors to web browsers, from photo editors to spreadsheet, iconic software applications have reshaped the digital landscape in profound ways and will continue to inspire our future generation of innovators and programmers in many ways. I make sure that this detailed video has helped you in getting the point. If it did so, make sure to subscribe the channel and make sure to watch the video that I suggested in this video. It will help you a lot in understanding more. I will meet you in another tutorial. Till then, it's goodbye.